Good day to all of you. So this is our group project in math. So we will discuss the ratio and proportion. So first, I will discuss the ratio. What is ratio? Ratio is the comparison between two quantities of the same units. The expression x is to y can be expressed in the following ways. First, x is to y. For example, 1 is to 2. The second one is x colon y. It can also be read as x is to y. For example, 1 colon 2 or 1 is to 2. And the last one is x over y. For example, 1 over 2. So let's proceed to proportion.
Proportion is the equality between the two ratios. In the proportion, A is to X is equal to B is to Y. A, X, B, and Y are called the terms. X and B are called the means, while A and Y are called the extremes.
Let's go to the problem solving. Our first problem states that a segment whose length is 75 decimeters is divided into two parts in the ratio 1 is to 2. Find the length of each part. For us to get the solution or the answer to this problem, we must assume that the smaller part is x, while the larger part is 2x, and it is equal to 75, since 75 decimeters is the measure of our segment. X plus 2x is equals to 75. Let's add the parts, and it is equals to 3x. 3x is equals to 75. Then, divide both sides by 3, and then we get the x, which is 25. For us to get the larger part, which is 2x, we must substitute the value of x and multiply it to 2. So, 2 times 25 is equals to 50 decimeters. Therefore, 50 decimeters is the larger part of our segment. Our second problem states that the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. Find the degrees of each angle. As what the solution in problem 1 states, we must assume that the measure of the angles are 2x, 3x, and 4x, and it is equals to 180, since 180 is the overall angles of a triangle. So, let's add up the parts or the angles, and it is equals to 9x. Divide both sides by 9, and then x is equals to 20. Our angles is 40 degrees, 60, and 80. We must not forget the degrees since it is the indicator of the measurements of an angles.
So that's all, and thank you.